In this video, you'll learn how to open a new support case. When you complete this course, you'll be able to confidently open a case and correctly fill out and submit the case form. To create a new case, choose the appropriate option from the bottom half of the home screen. Alternatively, you can select from the drop-down at the top right of the screen. It's important to select the right support option for your case to be directed to the appropriate team. You can choose between technical support option, license support, billing support, login and web services to get help with applications, tools, and portals on our website, user administration support to get help with setup and managing your users, IMS federation requests to get help with Bentley's identity management system, Bentley Institute product training partner to submit a training partner program request, user learning and success programs to submit requests related to the Learn server and trainings. Please note that some of the options may be grayed out if your account is on hold for billing or payment issues. For this video, let's select the technical support option. This will open the product support form. You will see the required fields listed in red. Most fields populate through a drop-down list. Make sure that you fill out all of the required fields before clicking on Submit. The category of request field refers to the type of request that you would like to submit. Incident, reporting something that is broken or not working as desired. This involves an outage, malfunction, or incorrect settings of the product. Request, request for service, advice, or information. Suggestion, provide feedback or suggest an idea. Preferred contact refers to the preferred method by which you will be contacted by Bentley. Preferred language is the language you want to use for case-related communication. Priority refers to the urgency of the issue encountered. Select a value that represents your situation from the measures below. Critical, complete loss of service or production down situations where no workaround exists. Incidents have a crucial impact on the business's ability to maintain operations and demand an immediate response. The production down incident affects multiple locations or a high number of users in a location. High, severe loss of functionality or performance. Major feature product failure, where short-term workarounds may be available. Operation can continue in a restricted fashion. The application is usable but has a severely limited risk of impacting the deadline. A high number of users are unable to perform their functions. Medium, incidents that cause non-critical product features to malfunction consistently. Major feature product failure where an acceptable workaround is available. Problems with a business function in the software cause severe inconvenience to users. Low, incidents that do not compromise production or for which a suitable workaround has been identified. Operational questions, informational requests, limited impact and urgency. Work progress is not directly impacted. Impact refers to the number of affected users. One user, single user impacted. Multiple users at one location, users working in one location. Multiple locations, regional or site-wide users are impacted. Brand refers to the brand name that requires support or inquiry. By default, you will initially see the brand used by your company within the last 60 days. If you'd like to select a different brand, tick the full catalog box to display the list of brands and products. Doing this will delete any previous entry on the field. If you don't know the brand name, you can leave this field empty and select the product. Product refers to the product name that requires support or inquiry. By default, you'll initially see the product used by your company within the last 60 days. To select a product, click on the product field and choose from the drop-down menu. Short description refers to the field where you can add a brief but informative description of the issue. Description refers to the field where you can add a detailed description of the issue. Customer reference number, typically used by partners who can submit a case on behalf of their users. Add attachments refers to the section where you can add supporting documentation such as screenshots, source codes, and other files to help troubleshoot or resolve the request. Click on the paperclip icon and select the file you wish to attach. Making a drag and drop motion in this section will not attach the files. When all the required fields are defined, click on Submit. You will then be taken to the My Request page, where you can view the case number and the case status. You'll also receive a system-generated email that contains your case number. This page is where you can view the progress of your case. There are two tabs below the case name: Activity, shown by default, and Attachments, where attached files can be found. You can add comments to a case by clicking the Activity tab, entering a comment in the Type Your Message Here field, and clicking Send. The message will appear as part of the dialog panel. The support team member messages directed to the end user are also located in the activity queue.